Asia, home to more than 60% of the world's population, is also the global lemon hub. This small fruit is widely cultivated across the fertile plains of India, the cool highlands of Vietnam, and even the arid but nutrient-rich lands of China. Each year, millions of hectares of farmland in Asia are dedicated to lemon trees, creating a nearly unending cycle of production to meet global demand. However, harvesting 210 million tons of lemons annually isn't just a matter of picking them off the tree. Behind these juicy lemons lies a vivid tapestry of agricultural techniques, creativity, and unique regional customs. Some methods might seem ordinary, yet they hold secrets that will leave you in awe. Nighttime harvesting, the secret of precision farmers. If you think lemons are harvested during the day for better visibility, you'd be surprised to learn that in regions like Maharashtra, India, and the Mekong Delta, Vietnam, farmers often prefer nighttime harvesting. The reason is simple yet fascinating. At night, cooler temperatures help preserve the essential oils in the lemon's peel, key to its aroma and quality. Picture farmers wearing headlamps, holding specialized shears, silently moving through the lemon orchards. The twinkling light creates a mystical scene, but behind the quiet is a process that requires incredible attention to detail. Harvesters use shears to cut the lemons close to the stem without damaging the branches, as each branch has a limited capacity before breaking or weakening. Using birds to hunt pests, a unique natural ally. In some areas, farmers have learned to harmonize with nature by enlisting animals' help. In Vietnam and Thailand, many farming families raise birds like miners, crows, or even wild species trained to hunt pests that harm lemon trees. During harvest season, these allies prove invaluable. Before the farmers begin picking lemons, the birds are released to clean up the orchard, eliminating pests that pesticides might miss. This method also preserves the organic quality of the produce, a crucial factor for demanding markets like Japan or Europe. Lemon picking robots, mechanical hands with millimeter precision. In large farms across China and Japan, cutting-edge technology is employed to optimize the harvest process. Machines equipped with robotic arms programmed with advanced algorithms can identify the color and size of lemons, selecting only the ripe ones without disturbing the unripe ones. These robots are fitted with pressure sensors to ensure that the force applied to the lemons is just right, preventing bruising or damage. Each machine can harvest hundreds of kilograms of lemons in just a few hours, an incredible speed while maintaining the quality of each fruit. The gentle tree shaking method, remarkable efficiency. In southern China's large-scale lemon farms, farmers have developed a technique using tree shaking machines to speed up harvesting. These machines work by gently hugging the tree trunk and vibrating it at a frequency that causes only ripe lemons to fall off. Beneath the trees, large nets are spread to catch the lemons, which are then quickly sorted. The vibrations are carefully calibrated to avoid harming the tree or knocking off unripe fruit. Handpicking, the art from calloused hands. Despite technological advances, handpicking remains a common method in many areas, particularly in small family farms. This method isn't just cost-effective but also allows farmers to have tight control over the quality of each lemon. Each harvester is trained to distinguish which lemons meet the standard and which ones should be left on the tree. A single wrong move could damage the tree, reducing productivity in the next season. Harvesting unripe lemons for medicine, a delicate task. In China and India, lemons are often harvested early to be used as ingredients in traditional medicine. These unripe lemons usually contain higher levels of essential oils than ripe ones and are used to extract oils for massage balms or as components in herbal teas. The process of harvesting unripe lemons requires absolute care, as they are more prone to bruising and have thinner skins than ripe lemons. After harvesting, lemons from across Asia embark on an exciting journey. They are packed in modern processing plants, undergo rigorous quality inspections, and then shipped to major markets like the US, Europe, and the Middle East. Few people know that behind the small lemons they use daily lies an extraordinary effort by Asian farmers, not just harvesting lemons but sowing hope and creativity into every crop. These small lemons not only add flavor to our meals but also encapsulate a grand story of hard work, innovation, and love for nature. With the unique harvesting methods unveiled in this article, we hope you'll appreciate the value of Asian lemons even more, a small source of energy with incredible strength. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories as we explore the colorful world of Asian agriculture.